By 2030, AI won't just help us find homes. It might build them, manage them, and even negotiate deals. Here's how AI is reshaping real estate. Artificial intelligence is already transforming industries, but in real estate, it's revolutionizing how we buy, sell, and live. Forget vague estimates. AI algorithms will analyze millions of transactions, market data, and neighborhood traits in seconds to give you real-time, data-driven property valuations. Homes will be more than smart, they'll be intuitive. AI systems will manage security, energy, and comfort, boosting value and buyer appeal. Can't attend a showing? No problem. AI will create immersive, guided virtual tours, making property visits as easy as scrolling TikTok. By 2030, our homes won't just shelter us, they'll know us. AI isn't the future of real estate, it's the architect.